everyone, today let's have a look at this Mi5 Gold with 32GB internal memory and 3GB RAM. It's one of Xiaomi's flagship smartphone that comes with a thin and elegant 3D glass body design. You can see the side of this phone is very thin. This Mi5 uses the latest USB Type-C for faster charging and transferring data. On the left side there is a slot for your dual nano SIM card. And on the top there is an infrared port and 3.5mm jack port. On the back side of this phone is covered with full 3D glass, and I highly suggest you to buy a case so you won't find your phone becomes like my brother's phone. There are some patterns on the back side of this phone which makes the phone look even more elegant and stylish on your hand. Now let's take a quick look on the phone UI. The UI experience is so smooth and fast. There is no doubt about the speed of this Mi5 with the use of the latest Snapdragon 820 processor. Please subscribe, like and share if you enjoy watching this video.